In this video, I want to show you how to open the hood of your Dodge Journey. First step, go in the driver's footwell. And you're gonna find this latch over there that you simply need to pull completely. You can even do it twice to make sure. Now let's go in the front of your SUV. There is a latch slightly towards the right side. Okay, if you put your fingers here, okay, you're gonna glide your fingers, you're gonna feel a latch, and you need to pull the latch towards the left side, and at the same time to higher the hood. Let me show you in a few seconds where the latch is. First of all, I'll just put the prop rod, detach it, and you're gonna place it right over there. I know it's a bit hard to do it with one hand, but I'm gonna place it right there. You see it says prop. Great. So the latch I was talking about is this one. So when you glide your fingers, you're gonna find it and then push it towards the left side, and at the same time pop the hood. It will go up, and yeah, this is about it. One time comes to put it back, remove the prop, lower the hood until about here, and then let it go. It will slam and lock in place. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.